Well, hello guys. My name is Amtaksha Model. This is my second video on my channel. I guess I don't know how many I made still now. So I already told you about. I am planning to buy the DJI Action 4 for my future videos and other perspectives which I will be using for it for. So I did something today. Well, I bought it. The DJI Action 4. So as a review and as I've already opened the box, I have tested everything so that it doesn't becomes an embarrassment while making the video. So I already tested with my SD card and batteries, everything. So I will be actually re-unboxing it in a way. So let's start. That's the box. Everything, DJI, the information and all. So let's open it. While opening the box, you get two separate parts. This is the accessories. We will be looking it at another time. A bit later, not another time, but a bit later. So I'm keeping it here. And the main camera body. With it you get some papers which I don't really read, but I need the sticker, so I will be sticking it to my bike. And to join the DJI community, QR is given. So that's not a toffee, that's normal packets. That's here it's written, do not eat. Well, so that's the main camera body which I'm getting here. So well, it looks handsome, I guess. Looks very good, finished product. So I'm gonna peel it, but I don't think it will be a satisfying one because I've already opened it. So that's the camera. Well, I'll keep it in here for some time. That's the sticker. One actually I stuck it on my PC because it was looking good. It says fly to the future and carry the SD card always. It's shaped like an SD card. So aside, we're keeping the camera aside for now. I will be showing the accessories we got. Another bunch of papers. I need to read it this time actually because I guess I don't know how to operate these things. But yeah, blah 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 blah. I don't know shit. I will see another YouTube video. All the DJI ones. Okay, that's the safety guidelines. Okay, that's the quick start guide. What is this? I don't know. Okay, that's an extra pair of lens protector. With damage temporarily, replace it with the lens hood. The camera is not waterproof when it's used on the lens hood. Okay, this is just a lens hood, not the glass. This is just a lens hood, not the glass. Keep in mind. Well, it's an old camera, everybody knows about it. Anyways, I'm just saying it because I want to. Inside here you get many things packed inside, like I don't know what, but yeah. We get the magnetic connector here. That's the special feature about DJI Osmo Action 4. That's the magnetic connector. Best thing about it is it just snaps apart like this. Well, I don't know. Sorry. You stick it in here. You push it firmly while pushing it. Done. It's mounted. That's the magic. And some certain other company just makes it so hard to mount the cameras. I'm very sorry to say about it, but they were hard at a time. Because I saw the YouTube videos, that's why I know that. I don't actually have not used any other action cameras. This is my first one. Sorry. So this is, I don't know what's it said, but I guess this is curved adhesive base. I don't know why, but we'll see how it is used. And that's the battery we got. That's the battery. Locking pin, I guess. Yes, the locking screw we got for attaching these two, or any other accessories you need for in that case. You can use it. That's the screw. That's the screw. Okay. So let's assemble it now. That's the camera. As everybody knows now, it's a 2-year-old camera, but I don't care because I needed it for some motovlogging. Not a very starter-friendly camera. This is very starter-friendly. As I have heard, photo quality is very good, video quality is also good. Everything's good about it in its budget price. So you push it, open it up, open the flap. Battery also packed in another case. I don't know why, but okay. That's the battery pack. You see inside there will be golden teeth inside or something. So you put the battery's slotted part on that part. Means you rotate it here. You see down on the left. I don't know which directions. You just put it inside like that. Drop it in. Push it a bit. SD card is always inside, so I am not opening it anyways. So I push it and close it. USB port for data and webcam services. Yes, you can use it as a webcam, and that's very good actually. I used it. So that's the USB port, USB-C. In the box you're also given a USB-C to C cable, but I already took it out, so I didn't bother to pack it again because I'm lazy. There's the cable given. It's a good quality cable. Not too good, but yeah, it's good. It's very good. You also get a cage. Not a waterproof one, but I don't. But as for my use parts, it's very good. My use case, it's already fine. More than fine actually. So as you see, red button here and red button here. And the red button for record starting and here. So you push it from this side and we fit it inside. Okay, I fit it inside. Now close the latch to make it permanent inside. Not permanent, but not to move anymore more. So now we start the camera. Okay, it's started. As I am using a old SD card, which is not a V3 compliant one, it's showing me that the card is slow and will stop rendering sometimes. So I will be buying a new card. For now I will be using it in 2K or 1080p to suffice for that time. I will, no problem, because anyways I will shoot in 2K, not in 4K, because my computer can handle it, but why should I do that? It would look good, but more computing power, more time wasted, so I will be using it 2K. So that's it guys. That's the DJI Osmo Action 4 for my channel, and let's use it. And it actually makes some good sounds like this. Wait a second. Actually it looks good actually. Photo mode. Let's take some photos of the camera. Well, that's a satisfying sound I guess, and it's very loud. The sound from the camera is very loud. It's actually good, because while motovlogging I will not be able to hear, so means not like a normal, in a normal sense, because my mic is loud as hell, so I will be needing that part, small part. So that's it guys, that's DJI for you.
Photo.
I need to shut you down. Shut down! You can use voice commands. Shut down. That's it for today guys.